Hello students, welcome to e-learning. Here you learn English lesson with Miss Kritika. So as you know, it's our fifth part of the series Parts of Speech, Adverbs. So we are going to discuss parts of adverbs, its definitions with some examples, or you will get at the end some exercise regarding this to check how much you will adopt from it. Basically, there are four ways how the word modifies about action. How it performs, how to analyze an action, how to say it's from which category, how many types of adverb. Let's see further. Adverbs. An adverb is a word that describes a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. It tells how often, when, and where. It directly indicates or asks a sentence how often, when, and where the sentence is working or the subject is doing. Kinds of adverbs. Basically, there are six main kinds of adverbs. Adverbs of manner, adverbs of place, adverbs of time, adverbs of frequency, adverbs of degree, and adverbs of reason. Let's see our first adverb, adverbs of manner. Adverbs of manner tells us an action takes place. How an action takes place in a sentence is basically teaches this or tells us about it. Example, Angel writes neatly. We'll know Angel writes, but how she'll write neatly. Another sentence, whole class laughed loudly after watching the clown's picture. Right? If I was to ask you how the class laughed, you can say class laughed loudly. So loudly here is the adverb of manner. It shows in which manner something is happened. Next one is adverbs of place. It tells us where an action takes place, or you can say on which platform or where something happened, right? So let's see the example. Priya lives here. Sam went downstairs. If you see the words here and downstairs, it directly shows place. Like where Priya lives, you can say here, it's a symbol of place, right? Some places indicates here. And in this next sentence, Sam went downstairs, you can say the place is downstairs where he went sometime. Adverbs of time. It tells us when an action takes place. Example, today I am going to meet old friend of mine. Ria have visited this place before. Like in this sentences, as I told you, it shows when an action takes place, so something is representing. Like today, someone is going to meet their old friend, right? In the next sentence, Ria visited some place before. It's an indication that something has happened on time or before time, you can say. All in all, it replaces time here. Next one is adverbs of frequency. It shows how often something happens or how frequently it is happening. Like example, I do yoga every day. In this sentence, something is indicates by the word every day that I am doing something on regular basis. Anamika visits park regularly. It also indicates that Anamika visits or go to park every day on regular basis. It shows frequency, that in which or how much intensity something is going to happen. Adverbs of degree. It shows the intensity or the degree of an action. It directly shows in which intensity something is happened. Example, the boys are so excited for the cricket tournament. Result. Or you can say it tells us the degree or extent of an action or a quality. For example, again, let's see the second example. What you have heard is absolutely right. The word absolutely and excited, so excited indicates adverb of degree here. Or just take another example. I was very sick. This word very shows the degree of the sentence. Or you can say it shows the degree of an action. Adverbs of reason. It expresses the reason for an action, like for which reason some action happened. Example, the teacher is ill and therefore is unable to finish the lesson this week, right? Because the teacher is ill, therefore something is going to happen. Something is not happening for the entire week or happened for the entire week. So this word therefore indicates the reason. Shreya was not in good mood, hence he opted out of the party. Why she opted out of the party? Because her mood is not that good. Hence, and in first example, therefore represents adverb of reason. So let's go towards the quick summary of this. There are 4 ways how the adverb modifies action. If you're asked question from the sentence how, where, when and how often something happened, or sentence say, it directly shows you which adverb or which intensity is used. So let's quickly move towards your exercise. So here you can see, state whether the highlighted words are adverbs or adjectives. Now by just reading out these sentences, you directly get the idea these sentences are whether adverbs or adjectives. Okay students, hope you like the lesson. If you like the lesson, click the like button, do subscribe for more videos.